In today's video, I will be showing you guys the strategy which took me from beginner stage to advanced stage, and I literally am going to break down everything step by step to show you guys, and I will be showing you guys a lot of pro tips. Let's get into the video. Okay, so my entries are not good. I didn't want to miss this opportunity because I've been looking for trades and I couldn't find anything. But I noticed that there was a double top at the top right here. Look at this, guys. This is all you have to trade, okay? Let me show you something. Let me add one more. Okay, see that breakaway gap right here? Nice. But let me explain something to you guys. This trade here is so good. This is probably the best trade I have taken all year, guys. This trade is phenomenal. I literally love this trade. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to I'm going to go over about this trade because it's so phenomenal. You see this double top right here, trend line break, 2 bar down, and I entered for 3 trades. This is good. This trade is so nice. It's so satisfying to see when you understand what you're doing and candlestick psychology. When you understand this stuff, guys, it's just different type of trading, you know. And this is the main reason why I created the mentorship, to teach you guys everything I do step by step. And this trade here is a successful trade. Beautiful. Let's find another opportunity. Okay. Let me see if I can get one more trade here. Okay, the price doesn't want to come up. If it comes back up, I'm going to take one more. Let me mark this, why I took this. Let me show you real quick. Guys, I didn't have the time to draw the line because the price was moving so fast. But check this out. See, this is the level you reach at when you master everything. You see how the price closed on the level perfectly and rejected, engulfing candle, creating lower low compared to the previous low, inside gap. That's so many reasons, guys, right? And I don't like to say the word reasons. To me, it's confluences, because we need them to be lining up in our direction. Okay, now you see how this candle surges down very strongly because this trend line is pretty strong. Okay, and this is all you have to trade when you're using trend line breaks on trend line. Okay, because with the trend line, it can be traded in multiple ways. Never forget that. Nice. This inside gap was so magnificent. But let me tell you guys something. This trend line is one of the weird ones. It's very weird. It's very hard to really explain this type of trend line. You have to learn it through experience. But if you just connect the 2 dots, you see 1, 2, right? And then the third time the price is coming up, it breaks it with a beautiful engulfing candle, as you see right there, and a nice inside gap. So I know this trade is going to just continue going higher. There is no level right here on this left side to stop the price. Okay, there is no level there to stop the price. Let me see what's in my way. Okay, so I'm basically against the trend, guys, and you know I always talk about going with the trend. No, you can counter trend trade, but you have to know what you're doing. Okay, it's not advisable, but it's possible to do. All right, because I just did it. Guys, I didn't sure how this trade would turn out, so I waited for another candle to confirm the movement for me. So basically, this engulfing candle, I should have taken my trade here. I shouldn't have waited because this was slightly strong engulf, but I wanted to see 2 candles in a row because this trend line was on the weaker side trend lines based on candlestick psychology. Okay, but it turns out that the break was super strong. This momentum right here is strong, plus we have an inside gap. No, as I always say in my videos, guys, trading is the game of probability. Nothing is ever 100% sure. but my confidence is very high. Let's see. Oh, almost. But anyway, the trade was still a winning trade, and as you see, it almost be a red candle, guys. This was just a very slight difference between red and the green. Anyway, this was a fun session. If you want to apply for mentorship, you can use the link in description to do so. If you want to practice this strategy, you can use the link in description to create an account to do so. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.